If y'all don't know by now, the Lunar New Year is my favorite season of the year. And one of my favorite activities to do is actually to wrap dumplings with friends and family. So wholesome, right? But before we start wrapping, I'm gonna start doing the hard work first, which is making the filling. The next ingredient I added in was water chestnut. Next, we're gonna take half of this filling and put it in another bowl, and we're gonna add the shrimp paste inside. Ding! Making dumplings should be about friends and family. Okay, yellow one is for frying, white one is for blanching. Put inside steamboat.
Okay.
You all want to know the simple one first, or you all just want to whack?
No lah, you give us one example, then we try.
Eh. Full pinch, full pinch. Wow! Wow, energy gao gao. Huh? Ra again? Ra! Okay.
Okay.
Go crazy!
Okay.
The first one is my one lah.
So Marissa, what is your fondest Chinese New Year memory? Food memory.
Must be food lah.
You know, like last time when we had like Chinese New Year at your house, I just remember we got like one long table, 3 or 4 hot pots.
That was when we were how old?
When we were...
Wow, secondary school eh.
Every time like before we do Yisheng, the person that does the Yisheng is actually my grandma. Over the years, she will choose like all the things that our family likes.
So actually right, I last time when younger lah, right, I always go back Indonesia, celebrate Chinese New Year. Quite sure eh. I think just eating around with family,
Yep.
see your little cousins run around. Yeah, quite fun.
So once it floats, it's ready.
Are you so cute?
Cheers. Wow. Hey, shit, it's really damn good eh.
Make dumplings with your friends. Watch this video.
What?